Are we living in a black hole without knowing it? This is my split mind, where curiosity meets the unknown. What if the universe you see isn't the real universe at all? What if the stars, galaxies, and even time itself aren't floating in an endless void, but locked inside a colossal black hole? It sounds like science fiction, but when you follow the math, when you chase the clues hidden in horizons, galaxy spins, and the whispers of radiation, the question becomes unavoidable. Black holes are no longer just monsters. They might be the blueprint of reality. Stay with me, because by the end, you won't look at the universe the same way again. The prison of light. A black hole is gravity unleashed. Imagine squeezing the sun into a sphere the size of a city. At that point, escape vanishes. Not rockets, not even light. The edge of this abyss is the event horizon, the ultimate one-way door. Step across, and every path bends inward. From the outside, black holes look deceptively simple. General relativity says they can be described by just two numbers, their mass and their spin. Everything else, stars, gas, even whole planets, vanishes from view. But inside, space and time collapse into something stranger than any nightmare. Motion inward becomes as compulsory as tomorrow. And at the end of that road is the singularity, the place where physics itself breaks. Here's where things get eerie. If you calculate how big a black hole would be if it held all the mass of the universe, its radius matches almost exactly with the radius of our cosmic horizon. Let that sink in. If the universe were inside a black hole, it would look almost exactly like what we already observe, a finite region, bounded by a horizon, beyond which no signal can reach. Coincidence or clue? Two truths at the edge. At the event horizon, reality fractures. To an observer outside, anything falling in slows, stretches, and freezes in place. But to the falling object, time marches forward normally. It slips through without a trace. Both views are real, both contradict each other. And here's the twist. Our universe has its own horizon too. A cosmic edge beyond which light hasn't had time to reach us. From one perspective, it's an end. From another, maybe not. Horizons whisper riddles, and the universe might be hiding the same secret as a black hole. Singularities, the signpost of physics. At the center of a black hole lurks the singularity. Infinite density, infinite curvature. A place where Einstein's relativity throws up its hands and says, "I can't go further." Physicists like Brian Cox don't see this as a dead end. They see it as a message, a neon sign screaming, "Your theories are incomplete." Somewhere beyond relativity and quantum mechanics lies a deeper framework, a quantum theory of gravity. And here's the disturbing part. The Big Bang itself looks like a singularity. Could it be that the beginning of our universe and the center of every black hole are two doors to the same room? Seeds of universes. Physicist Nikodem Poplavsky proposed a radical idea. Black holes don't just destroy, they create. When collapse goes past the horizon, it may not end in silence. It may rebound in a burst, a big bounce. From the inside, it looks like a big bang. In this view, every black hole seeds a new universe. Our Big Bang? Perhaps the moment a parent universe collapsed. And the black holes we see above us tonight, each could be the cradle of another cosmos. If true, the multiverse isn't out there, scattered randomly. It's nested, like Russian dolls of reality, each one born inside another's abyss. And if that doesn't shake you, nothing will. Wormholes, white holes, and dimensions. Some theories go further. A black hole might be a tunnel, a wormhole. On our side, a cosmic sink. On the other side, a white hole, spewing matter and light into a new reality. Think of it, our Big Bang may not have been the beginning, it may have been an exit. And if you stretch the idea further still, maybe our entire 3D universe is the surface of a higher dimensional black hole. To us, galaxies and stars. To a higher dimension, a disk of glowing information wrapped around something deeper. What we call the universe might just be scenery. The spinning clue. But if our universe really was born inside a black hole, could we find fingerprints? Astronomers may have. When they mapped hundreds of spiral galaxies, they found something strange. Instead of spinning randomly, 2/3 rotate opposite to the Milky Way. That shouldn't happen. Gas clouds collapse chaotically. They don't coordinate across billions of light years, unless they inherited a global spin. The leftover twirl of a parent black hole, written into the very structure of the cosmos. Accretion disks and creation fires. Before matter crosses the horizon, it often swirls into an accretion disk, a glowing whirlpool, hotter than any star, spinning near the speed of light. Some physicists speculate that conditions in these disks, chaos, turbulence, radiation, could shape the birth of universes inside. The laws of physics we experience, gravity, electromagnetism, even the constants that govern atoms, might have been forged in such a furnace. If so, then the physics of our reality is hand-me-down fire from a black hole in another. The holographic code. In the 1970s, Jacob Bekenstein and Stephen Hawking made a discovery that shattered intuition. Black holes store information not by volume, but by surface area. Think about that. In everyday life, more volume means more storage. But in black holes, only the surface matters. In 1997, Juan Maldacena pushed this to its limit. Maybe the entire universe works this way. Maybe everything we see, the 3D world, is a projection, a hologram. And if that's true, then our universe is the inside of a black hole. Our reality? A shadow, cast from a horizon. Seeing the unseeable. For decades, black holes were ghosts in equations. Then, in 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope captured the first image, the glowing shadow of M87's black hole. In 2022, it revealed Sagittarius A star, the black hole at the heart of the Milky Way. And in 2015, detectors like LIGO heard the first gravitational waves, the space-time ripples from colliding black holes. The universe itself rang, and we listened. Black holes were no longer theory. They were fact. They were everywhere. Nearby abysses, faraway titans. Some lurk close. Cygnus X1, HR 6819, the unicorn. Stellar mass black holes only 1,000 light-years away. Not dangerous, but close enough to remind us the abyss is part of our neighborhood. Farther out, Titans rule. Ton 618, 66 billion suns. Home 15A's monster core. Quasars, powered by such giants, shine brighter than galaxies. These monsters don't just exist. They dominate. They shape galaxies. They may shape universes. Hawking radiation. Stephen Hawking revealed that black holes aren't eternal. They leak a faint glow, Hawking radiation. Slowly, over unimaginable times, they evaporate. But even the smallest would outlive the current age of the universe. The largest will survive longer than the last stars. Black holes will be the final monuments of existence. And yet, their death raises the most troubling riddle of all, the information paradox. Watch someone fall into a black hole. To you, they're erased at the horizon, incinerated into radiation. To them, they pass through unharmed. Which is true? Both? Neither? Hawking once argued information was lost forever. But if information can vanish, the laws of physics collapse. Now, most physicists believe information is preserved, etched onto the horizon itself, encoded in the radiation. A cosmic library, disguised as a grave. And if that's true, maybe our own universe is such a record. The holographic memory of a collapse beyond imagination. Tests and horizons. Could we ever know for sure? Astronomers are testing it by mapping galaxy spins, by examining the cosmic microwave background, by hunting for faint signatures of a universal twist. If found, they could reveal that our universe really was born inside a black hole. If not, the idea may remain an elegant metaphor, a reflection, not a literal truth. But even metaphors can change everything. The human connection. It's easy to see this as abstract, but it touches something human. If black holes preserve information, then nothing is ever truly lost. If universes are born inside them, then creation is never final. Beginnings and endings, life and death, meaning itself, all folded into the same riddle. For centuries, humans have stared into darkness and wondered what's out there. Now physics whispers back, maybe the darkness is us. So are black holes tombs or wombs? Endings or beginnings? Are we floating in infinite space or living inside a black hole without knowing it? If that's true, then the greatest mystery isn't what's in here. It's what lies beyond our horizon. This is My Split Mind, where curiosity meets the unknown. If this journey made you question everything you thought was real, stay curious, subscribe, and join us again, where science and mystery collide.